Hey guys, Bridget Bartley here with Vision Marketing and Design, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a print-on-demand clothing store with zero inventory. It's something that it's a project I'm working on right now. My family actually just created a fundraiser. It's called Liberty Village Foundation, and the foundation is created for families who need a helping hand. Maybe they don't qualify for any kind of assistance. They're just struggling for whatever reason, and we were trying to figure out a way to raise money. So we decided if we could create like a clothing line and then sell the clothes and then take the profit to donate to the foundation. That's kind of the route that we're going for. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. Now, there's no product to purchase whatsoever, okay? You literally, someone orders from your store, and then it goes to this company. They will print out whatever design that you've created within your store. They will print it for you, they will package it, they will ship it, and then you basically, if it costs $12 and you are selling it for $20, then you make $8 profit. So I'm going to show you all of the websites and how I'm doing this. So I'm going to jump in my computer. Okay, so the website that I'm using is called Printful. It's printful.com, and basically what they do is, like I said, you just go through here. Here's all the items that they carry, and you literally you can choose from their designs, or you can create your own. What I'm going to do, I'm a Christian, so I'm just going to create, Bible verses and things like that. I'm sure you guys have seen this on social media all over the place. Leggings, t-shirts, dresses, and so on. They have a lot of things here that you can choose from. And if you go here, there's even a short video that tells you exactly how to do it. It's pretty straightforward. You can see all of the stores that they integrate with. One of the most popular ones is probably Shopify. The problem with Shopify, though, and I pulled this up here so you can see, the pricing structure for Shopify, for the very basic, which this is kind of irrelevant because as soon as you build your store, you're going to realize that you need at least this middle version. So $79 a month is a lot just for the store. So what I'm using is Builderall, okay? Now Builderall has an integration with Magento. So this is all included within the Builderall subscription. And you can see Builderall is $69.90 a month if you want the professional plan. They also have a $29.90 a month plan as well. But this is only some of the tools that Builderall has. So it's a website builder, email autoresponder, sales funnel builder, CRM, so on. But they also have this e-commerce section here. So that's where the Magento integration comes in. And there's a ton of tutorial videos if you want to check out. You literally just create your store. It walks you through the process. So what you do is you just set up your store just like this store here, and then you put your designs and whatever. You could put it also on Amazon, you could do an Etsy store, you can do any of those things, and basically you just would then, like any kind of marketing, you send traffic to that store. So I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to get this finished and show you guys the end product. I'm super excited about using this to raise money for the foundation, and I just wanted to share that with you guys so that you can be equally as excited with me. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below. I'm happy to help you out. If you want to try Builderall for free for 7 days, kind of dig around in it, you can go to visionmarketinganddesign.com/trial and check it out for yourself. Have a good day. Bye.